Hi, 8th graders. This is your agenda for today. You're currently watching video number 1 and listening to it with headphones. Thank you. You're then going to move on to 20 minutes of iAsk and then 25 minutes for debate. Watch video number 2 for your new writing task and then have some work time. Please, please, please be your best version of yourself today. I want to hear positive things about your effort, respect, and lack of distractions. The consequence, which usually sounds scary, but can also be a good thing. So the consequence of positive behavior will be lots and lots of PBIS points if your name is written down in a positive way. Here are your directions after I ask for debate. You either can, number 1, record your argument and then your rebuttal with a phone. So that means if someone in your group has a phone, they can record you reading your argument and then your rebuttal, and then you can use that same phone to record them reading their argument and then their rebuttal. You only have 25 minutes, so I don't want to hear that you didn't have enough time, because if you are a person that isn't finding recording yourself hilarious, then you're going to totally be able to get this done, because it only takes about a minute and a half to read your argument and less than a minute to read your rebuttal. So if you don't know how to attach a video to an email to me, efrazier@crprairie.org, then recording is not the option for you. If you are not comfortable with recording or don't know how to attach it into an email to me, then simply just practice PV legs: poise, voice, life, eye contact, gestures, and speed. You can practice with a wall, and then you can practice with someone on your team. You can also practice with the sub. If for whatever reason you chose to record and you didn't make enough time for yourself, then you will be reading on Friday with the rest of the people that chose to just practice today. So if you're not recording and instead you're practicing, you're reading on Friday. If you're recording and I receive your email, you do not have to read on Friday. Good luck, happy practicing, happy recording, and this is your final grade, so this counts for your speaking standard.